Assalamualaikum, class. So today, I wasn't able to make it to class today. I had a different problem. So, sorry about that today. Well, anyways, today we're going to talk about extinct versus endangered animals. We're going to talk about different things like what scientists do to find out what they eat and what maybe they were like, how they stood up. That would be for the extinct animals. So to talk about like this, easier when it's mammals and others that are extinct for thousands of years, but harder for millions of years of animals. So those are like million years, dinosaurs, and other forms of mammals that long time ago. So it'd be really hard for them to find out. So I'm here to answer just these questions. That's what I was going to talk about. So what does it mean when an extinct animal becomes extinct? It means that, so here it means that, or you can use extinction means, and there's other ways to do it, but don't put it short. So what does it mean? When an extinct animal becomes extinct, it means that most likely it doesn't exist in the wild anymore, or at all. So there's extremely endangered, and I was gonna go through those next. But so animals, when they become extinct, they don't exist in the wild anymore. They might not even exist in zoos. So if they're dinosaurs, they definitely don't exist in zoos. But those 1,000 of years, maybe 500, 200 years, they haven't existed. But maybe there's somewhere a zoo out there that has them. Well, that's usually not the case. So when their existence is done in the wild, they're pretty much gone. So what does it mean to be extinct? It means they're gone in the wild, and you probably won't see them in the zoo. Yeah. And then the next one. Okay. What are the many ways animals can go extinct? Well, they can go extinct by their environment being destroyed, by maybe a massive event. Dinosaurs, comets. You could have massive earthquakes, massive volcanoes. Many different things could happen to wipe out a lot of them. Let's see. You can have people, us, destroying their environment, destroying them, killing them. We can have disease, sickness, in their food, and somehow they get sick. Maybe they don't evolve fast enough. Yeah, there's so many ways that so you could say all those different ways. So what is an example of extinct animal? This one I changed. I was going to tell you one, but you choose for this question, so I don't need to go to that one. What does endangered mean? What animals are on the endangered list? Endangered means they're close to being extremely endangered. So there's some, they made a list just a little below extinct, which is extremely dangerous. Yeah, endangered means they're close to being extinct. It lasts years and years, but we have to save those animals, okay? White rhinos, some forms of monkeys, different things like that exist on this list. I want you guys to look that list up for yourselves. So I want you to answer that with your own words, not someone else's you looked up. How do scientists learn about extinct animals' life? What they ate. So you look in your book, you find this page. What is it? You find a page where it's all about that, actually. 70, page 70. And you find that, you could find things like bones, skeletons. That's if they're the 200 or less. But millions, no. You could find remnants of what they ate from their poop. You could find things like that. But other skeletons, you have to find fossils. You have to find minerals that are around that were created by what they ate. You have to find a lot of parts to see what they actually walked like. Okay, so those are different things that you could find. You could find that in your book, page 70. And then the last thing that page 70 and after page 70 you have page 74, which shows you all the scientificals. They have to go through field trips, and then they have to go find information, gather evidence, etc. Okay? Now this one, last thing I want to explain is help needed, endangered animals. So you're going to pick an animal online. Pick something that you find interesting. You're going to be giving a poster or some kind of picture. You can draw the animal, whatever it is. Tell the name. Tell some facts on your drawing. You tell us some facts about them. What they can, why do they need to be saved? What's important about them? Why do you want this one to be saved? This could be about 2 to 5 minutes long, but I need that poster or drawing. Yeah, so please show me that when you're turning in your video. All right, thank you. That's about it. If you have any more questions, you can leave comment on the Google Classroom material where this will be on this video. All right, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye.